In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can accumulate diamonds in Fish Jump app and make a withdrawal of what you've earned. Like you've seen, this is what I have so far earned 15 USD, and this is Matic, and this is WETH, this is WBTC from Fish Jump without doing any investment. And after getting your diamonds, you can make a withdrawal to your Trust Wallet, Binance, Bitkeep, or any other wallet that you use for making money online. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part because I have vital parts about Fish Jump in this video. Follow me step by step and collect your diamonds, make a withdrawal without any investment. But before I dive into this video, if you're new in this YouTube channel, I would like you to click the subscription button of this video, then tap on the bell icon, click on all to turn on the notification so that when I publish any video, you will be among the first people to watch my video. Then also like this video that you're watching and leave a comment under it so that I can get to know what you think about these videos that I record. So without further ado, let's get started with our video of the day. As I said that in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can accumulate these diamonds and make a withdrawal of what you've earned from Fish Jump. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create an account and how you can start earning dollars from this app without doing any investment, and also I showed you that I made a withdrawal from this platform before I recorded its video, and these are my withdrawal records and I received them in my account. So if you don't have an account and if you did not watch that video, please find the pinned video in this comment section, watch it and get started. But of course, under this video also I left the link to this platform. Click that link, create an account and start making money fishing here. This app is really real and it pays. That is what I can assure you. Me myself, I received my payment, and that is why I am recording these videos day and day. So in today's topic, I'm talking about how you can accumulate these diamonds. As you're seeing mine, I so far have 492, and today also I'm going to accumulate it, go beyond 400. It is going to be 500 to 600 plus before the day ends, without doing anything but doing what I'm going to show you right in this video. So in this platform, if you created an account, you just have to play games and make your money. But how do you get diamonds? Because that is the common question that people have been asking me from the Telegram and WhatsApp groups of DevTech YouTube channels. So today I'm answering your question right in this video. Stick with me and do as I'm going to do so that you get these diamonds and make a withdrawal softly without any investment. As I said that with this app, there is nothing big. You just create an account and start making money with it. No investment, nothing you're supposed to do but only playing games. Now if you create an account, this is how you accumulate the diamonds and make a withdrawal. Because you try to make a withdrawal, here the number of users who are making withdrawals accumulates every hour, and then so these are people who are making withdrawals and all will receive their payments. Just today, you see, when you just click, you find that the number has increased. People are doing withdrawals every hour, and then now we go back, you see one more person has added. Now to make a withdrawal from this platform, you have to be having diamonds like the way I have. So for me now, I can make a withdrawal of $1 and above. Now if you click on withdraw, then you click maybe to withdraw, you're going to see that you must be having some diamonds, and here 35 diamonds you make a withdrawal of 0.1. then 350 diamonds you make a withdrawal of $1. Then 3,500 diamonds you make a withdrawal of 10 USD without any investment, and I'm going to show you how you can accumulate those diamonds right in this video. So let's get started with it. So there are two ways you can accumulate diamonds from this platform. The first one is by you watching ads. These ads are very short. They have 10, 5, 30 seconds. So how do you watch? If you click on this diamond here, like you tap on it, you can watch. You cannot watch any advert. And here you can watch. To watch adverts, you can watch from now to get this bonuses, but I advise you not to waste your adverts watching this, because these ones they give you after every 4 minutes. If they reach 20, they stop giving until you use all this. Then again they give you more after you finishing this or reducing them to 20, but the maximum they give you is 20, not even per day. After giving you 20 and you use them up, they give you more. So don't waste your adverts watching these adverts, because if you click there, you're going to see that to get more energy, you watch. Now I want you to just do this so that you get diamonds only. Don't waste your adverts to get energy. So the first thing is watching adverts. Then the second thing I'm going to show you after us doing this. Now, how do you get these diamonds? You're seeing this play button. That is the button you're supposed to click and watch adverts. And before watching adverts, you must first collect these points you're seeing. Me, I have 100,084.10 points. And now here I can also convert this to any currency that I need. Say it USD, say it BTC. By just tapping here, I can convert to all these currencies, but I'm not currently going to convert this. Now, this is how you get diamonds. Tap on this play button to play. You're going to see that you'll get adverts to watch, and this is how you watch. Now after you playing, like I have played this like this, there is this pop-up thing that is going to pop up, this one here, the score. Please, this is how you get. You see this extra diamond, that's the button you're supposed to click and watch adverts. After watching, you get 1 diamond. Now in a day they give you like 70 plus, meaning in a day you can make a withdrawal of 0.2 dollars. Now what you're supposed to do is after every game, click on this extra diamond to collect your diamonds. Now the other time you saw that I had 492. So now if I click on this to watch, you're going to see that my diamonds have increased from 492 to 493. That is how I am accumulating my diamonds on daily basis. By just watching these adverts, you're going to see that you keep accumulating diamonds and you can make a withdrawal any day, any time. That is the first way you can collect your diamonds. So I'm going to watch like 3 adverts, then I show you the next way you can get diamonds. This platform, as I say, that there is no investment you're supposed to do. Just create an account, play the fish as I played, then now you get diamonds 35, you can make a withdrawal and above. So that is how you collect. You don't have to click and download any app, and maybe you, in case you get any attractive advert. Now like now this one, you click on here, that arrow, then you click on the X that they are going to give you, this one here, tap on it. Now you've seen I have closed it, and here it is saying tip successful, get diamond. So I have got my 1 diamond. As you've seen it, I have a total of 493, and that is how I always collect my diamonds. That's the first way. Now let me watch the last one, then I'll take you to the next method you can collect diamonds from this app without any investment, and you can make your withdrawal direct to your wallet. You have seen, now I have received that. Yes, so that is how you collect the diamonds. Now the next way you can collect diamonds is by doing referrals. So guys, it is not a must. In case you want to do referrals, you can do, but if you don't want to do, it's fine. Every person you get as a referral, you get 8 diamonds. So that is the best way you can get diamonds. By doing referrals, you get too many diamonds than watching ads. Keep always collecting diamonds by watching adverts. Now as I said, that the next one is by doing referrals. We are going to see where do you get your referral link. Your referral link, you're seeing these pages: homepage, hooks, withdraws, then there is invites. So you have to click on invite, and on my invite here, I'm seeing I have a referral because of this question tag here. It means I have some referral. Now how? Tap on invite. Now when you tap on invite, here it shows you invite with great rewards. Invite each friend to get 8 diamonds. Maximum daily claim is 1,600. How do you get your referral link? By just clicking invite here, it means you're going to get your referral link. Tap on invite. Now when you tap on invite, you can just share on WhatsApp. Like for example, if I just click on WhatsApp here, it's going to open for me WhatsApp. Then I select which group, who are the people that I want to share this referral link to. Now after that, I can just click on this and this. Let me click on that. Then after I click on send. Now this is what is going. Just click on send. Now after you clicking on send, it means you've already shared your referral link. So now here if I open, there is no time to explain. Get on the bus quickly. The newbies rewards are waiting for you to claim. So now if someone just taps on this, downloads the app and creates an account, then you're going to get 8 diamonds in your account. Like now these ones you see, I have to just collect them to add them here. They have not yet been added here because I have not collected. How do you collect? Just tap on collect, then click get, or if you have not yet watched more adverts, you can click here also to watch. Like if I tap here, I'm going to watch more advert and add on that one. There will be 9. I'll be having 500 diamonds right now. Just after that, you don't have to install, just click on cancel. After that video going, you see now I have collected 9 from here. I collected this 8 plus the video that I've watched just already read here. So guys, that is how you collect diamonds. You see the number of people are increasing, and this is real. It is not a scam, or it is not a game. It is real. These people all are going to get their money just today, and by the evening there, this number is going to increase to thousands of people. Now the bonus part of this video is how you can keep collecting these currencies also. You can see that for the first time you can play and you get your money, but you cannot make money even accumulating to this level as you're seeing mine. And I've also stopped here because I didn't do the next thing again. I first want to withdraw this. Now how do you accumulate more money? It is easy. You're seeing there is hook here. If you tap on hook, this first hook here, it just gives you points only, but it doesn't give you dollars and other currencies. Now there is this one here. If you tap this one to buy, like it has already given me, so I have already bought these ones at 5 diamonds, and it is valid for 24 hours. Now I'm going to use this hook here to get dollars. This one can collect for me dollars, can collect for me any currency, but this one collects only the token, but it doesn't catch for you money. Now if I'm using this one, it means you can if you buy this one, it means you can collect different things. This one I've not yet tried. I'm going to try it. Then if I try and I see that maybe it gives like diamonds, I'll come and watch a video. But before you buy this, before you buy this last one here, first wait, I try it. After me trying, I'll come and share it with you, because you might waste your diamonds here to buy this, yet it doesn't give other things. But I'm going to try it out myself first. Then after trying and I see that it gives even diamonds, then I'll record a video and show you. Now I have bought this, so I have to use it, and we see. And here, before I use it, let me first show you. You're seeing that I have 15.3 USD, I have 12.3 Matic, I have 0.89 WETH, I have 0.108 WBTC. Now, if you can get the diamonds that can withdraw BTC, guys, you'll stop anything you're doing. You see, it is very expensive for you to get, but here they are saying insufficient diamonds, invite friends, watch to earn more. Yes. Now if you get, like for example, to withdraw 0.01 WBTC, you need 128,580 diamonds so that you can withdraw 0.01 BTC. Now I have bought my hook. Let me try to use it once. Tap here, and I'm going to grab, so you can control that hook. We don't have to let it burn. So let me get that one. You see, I have gotten that USD, even that Matic. So now you're going to see that I'm going to get dollars from it here. Now you're seeing I have gotten 0.2 USD. Now I have the other side 15.5. But before you close, watch this video so that you get diamonds. Let me watch it, then I'll get back. And this video, some of these videos like this one, it gives you to close early. So they give you this button. You can close it before the video ending because they have already awarded you. This one is long. Then you click on X. Yes. Now let's go and check on my balance. If I click here, now you can see I have 15.5 USD. So guys, that is the bonus part of this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button, like this video, leave a comment and let me know what you think about this app under this video. But the truth about this app is it pays without any investment. Some guys were asking me, does it pay? Yes, it pays without any investment. Guys, we meet in the next coming video.